What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. Well, guys, you know, all these channels out there are doing these freaking giveaways, all these giveaways. And, you know, I thought for a long time that I could kind of stay away from those giveaways to not attract new audiences and not be able to attract, you know, new income with these giveaways. But unfortunately, it has to be done. I fell for the trap, and this is going to be my very first giveaway, guys. And well, I've got some bad news for you guys. This is not it. I'm not giving away the bird. I'm not doing it. Never happening. Never happening. But before we tell you what we are giving away, which I think a lot of you guys out there, especially guys with ATV and UTVs, are going to be extremely excited about, and maybe even yard tractors or something, I don't know. Maybe them guys would be excited about this as well. We are going to talk about the bird here a little bit in this video because we have some updates. I will tell you that this thing will be up and running very soon here. Go ahead and pop the hood. Obviously, if you guys don't know about the good old Ghost, the good old 1998 Firebird formula, she is a 370 cubic inch Golen engine with a 80 millimeter turbo setup and a full turbo system from Huron Speed and a couple other goodies, Lunati Cam and all that other fun stuff. And the last time this thing's been on the dyno, if you're new to the channel, and a lot of you guys already know this car, but if you're new to the channel, this car made 1,030 horsepower, 972 torque on E85 methanol injection and 21 pounds of beautiful boost. Beautiful, sexy boost. Now, this has been under wraps. I am doing something to this car, and I don't really think I can tell you. You might be able to figure out what it has to do with. Maybe I'll just, I'll point to some things here and some other things here, maybe here. We're going to be doing some upgrades to this thing, and I've got all the parts finally to be able to do that upgrade, and I will be making a video about that specific upgrade from a specific company here shortly, hopefully, to show you guys how well this product is for this vehicle. And then let me tell you something. It's a very well-made product. There is some R&D involved. I'm not going to put any names out there yet, but there's some R&D with this company done, and it turned out very freaking awesome. I would show you another part of the build, but I can't. I have to get permission first. You guys understand. But when that video comes out of what we are doing to the good old Ghost, which I'm sure you probably already know, you guys are going to be like, holy smokes, that's freaking amazing and freaking awesome. So please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, put it on all, so you can look out for that video very soon. Hopefully, if that happens with Ghost, which I'm hoping to have it done here, like it's not a big modification, obviously, it's just a small modification, as you can tell. But she should be hitting the dyno here soon and making some really sexy, smexy, beautiful freaking horsepower. I've had this car for almost 21 years. I've owned this car for 21 freaking years. And believe me, guys, it's been one hell of a journey. One hell of a journey from the moment I bought it to what it is now. But I love this thing, and I know all you guys love it, and you can't wait to see it. We're hoping that Send Steve can get his stupid GTA running so we can have some drag race events between the GTA and Ghost here, obviously. We also have a ton of shit going on here in the shop. Lots of cars being finished up here hopefully soon, which is going to be freaking awesome for me. And as you can see behind me, we have something that's very unusual. I've never seen one in my life. I've done tons of these 2010 to 2015 Camaros and the ZL1s, obviously from the channel, you know that. And this here, like I said, I've never, comment below, let me know if you've ever seen one of these cars before. But this is a 2010 Indianapolis 500 Centennial era Camaro SS that's getting a slew of work here in the next couple, you know, months or so, month or two or whatever, 2 months, 3 months, whatever. And this is going to be a good build. You guys are going to really enjoy this build. This is going to be a freaking nice build. We probably won't make any videos about it, to be honest. I'll probably just show some Instagram pictures. If you follow me on Instagram somewhere, it's in my description. I haven't really figured out how to use the editing software to put words and stuff in yet, but we're getting there, guys. We are getting there. It's just taking some time to figure out the DaVinci Resolve 17 editing software. I take a little bit of time here and there, and I plan things out, and I try to. Man, that thing's sinking. Look at that. That thing is sinking. You know what that means? Too much weight, boss. Too much weight. But it's taken me a little bit of time to get the DaVinci Resolve 17 software, editing software, to like do what I need to do, and learning some things on how to do it and stuff like that. So please be patient. But yeah, down in the description below, hopefully I can use my tongue and talk to you guys normally. But down in the description below, you will find all my social media links, my TikTok and my freaking Instagram and all that jazz. So go check that out. And I'll probably have pictures of this in the future on there, and the little build that we're doing to it, which is going to be pretty freaking awesome, guys. So look out for that as well. We have a little update on the Duramax as well. I know you guys really enjoy the Duramax content, but we are going to be ordering our good old rockers and cab corners here shortly. And I think we're probably going to be putting them in ourselves, more than likely. I should probably look for a door too, honestly. Oh god. Oh yep, I should definitely look for a door and get that repainted, because the door's kind of getting nasty here too. The other side looks fine though. Look at the other side here. Yeah, the other side's fine. This side's okay. A little bit of cancer down there, but for the most part, it just needs cab corners and oh, there's a rocker, and there's a rock in my rocker. There's a rock in my rocker. But we will be ordering cab corners and rockers for the good old Duramax here soon too. So I'm sure you guys are pretty, you know, excited and wondering what we're going to be giving away. And I think you guys will like it. I think a lot of you out there will have a very good use for them. So let's do a little unboxing, guys, and show you what's in that box. That box right there. That box right there. All right, guys. So the box really doesn't give you an idea of what's in it, basically, right here. But this is the giveaway, not the box. The box is not the giveaway. What is inside the box is the giveaway, guys. So this is going to be pretty awesome for somebody out there. Like I said, if you have a UTV, an ATV, or, you know, even if you don't have one of those things, maybe a side-by-side, this would be very useful for a side-by-side. But as you guys know, open road four-wheel drive has definitely loved me with my 13,000-pound winch, my recovery off-road gear, my recovery tracks that I showed you guys in a video previous from this one. And what I have in this box is a beauty. It is an open road four-wheel drive. There's a little key tag. Four-wheel drive. Here's our boxes and stuff. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I know. You're excited. Is an open road, four-wheel drive, 4,500-pound ATV, UTV, winch. And I think this is remote too, if I remember correctly. Hold on. Let's see here. Yes, it is also remote control as well, for your ATV or your UTV. So this is basically what we're giving away. They contacted me and they said, hey, we want to send you one of these little winches for you to review and look at. I'm not going to hook it up and power it up or anything, but you have your free spool here, right there. You have your locking. You have your nice little, whatever they call this, Fairlay or whatever, Fairlaid or whatever they want to call it. You have that right there. It comes with all your accessories, little clamps. You got your little forged quarter-inch hook, or quarter hook. Got all your plat rubber thingies right there. You got your control box right here. And then you have all your wiring, which, you know, honestly, they do a very good job of wiring. And then you can also attach your controller to the front right there, as you can see, to the front of your ATV, UTV, if you do not want to use, oh, it's on and it's off. I guess there's batteries in it already. That's pretty cool. Usually things don't come with batteries, but that came with a battery. This one's like tangled up here with the wiring. There we go. So you got 2 remote controls, so you can park your ATV and you know, winch things in. You have your connector, your actual hardwire connector that you can do and attach to your handlebars or something. Here's your power wire. It looks like looks like your power lead right there, and I'm sure there's a negative lead in here somewhere as well. Probably just got to find it. But yeah, guys, this is pretty cool. I want to keep this, and I'll be honest with you, I would keep this, but I don't have an ATV or a UTV, so it really has no use for me. It serves me no purpose whatsoever, and Open Road and I felt it would just be better to give it away. Give it to a lucky winner out there, somebody that could use it and enjoy it and have some fun and have a very, very dependable winch on their UTV or ATV. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty on how you can win this winch. So hopefully you guys can see me. I want to sit down and talk to you guys. So yes, well, I'm checking my phone. PewDiePie uploaded a video. So I definitely want to make this video a little bit, you know, it's not a very interesting video, to be honest, guys. It's just a little update video on the bird and on the truck and stuff like that. And I definitely want to put that 4,500 pound winch in there. Somebody out there is going to enjoy a very nice open road 4-wheel drive winch, which is freaking awesome. Free stuff's always good stuff, guys. I don't care who you ask. If you get stuff for free, free is for me. Free is good. Everybody likes free shit. So in order to win this winch, it's very, very simple. You don't have to buy a t-shirt. You don't have to buy a hat. You don't have to buy key tags or posters or anything of that nature. I'm literally just going to give this out to a random person. All you have to do is comment below Open Road 4-wheel drive for the win. And also go over to their YouTube page and comment Open Road 4-wheel drive for the win on their last video, or any of their, probably their last video or whatever, you know what I mean? And if you'd like, go over to their Instagram and follow them as well at Open Road 4-wheel drive. And, you know, that'll give you a little incentive to get to follow these guys. Like I said, basically, you know, my winch worked very, very well. I towed Send Steve out of a mud hole in his Jeep, and that thing was stuck, and it did very, very well. And obviously, you guys probably seen Send Steve's last video. He now has a 13,000 pound winch. He probably liked mine so much, he had to go out and get his own, obviously, because, you know, I showed him. This thing's freaking awesome. It's a remote control winch, and you can just sit in the truck and press a button, and you're good. Just like this 4,500 pound one, remote control. You can literally sit, or even like not even sit, but you can stand away from your UTV and winch something in, or winch your UTV out of a mud hole or something, or whatever the case may be. But a very, very good product, guys. Great sponsor of the channel. They've done very well. Their products are very, very nice, and they have a whole slew of products as well. So check out their website as well. Their information, as always, is going to be down in the description under sponsors list, and you will see everything they have on their website. But yeah, that's all you got to do, guys. Very, very, very simple, easy giveaway. Just, you know, go ahead and make it happen, guys. Probably, it's the 21st now, May 1st. So we'll make this video come out tonight. I'll make this video tonight for you guys. That'll be 9 days, really quick little turnaround. And by May 1st, I'll congratulate a winner, and I'll ship that out to whoever ends up winning it. So basically, guys, that's all you got to do. Go down, comment Open Road 4-wheel drive for the win. Go over to their YouTube, comment Open Road 4-wheel drive for the win, and go to their Instagram and check them out and follow them over there. We'll pick a winner May 1st, or I'll pick a random winner, a random YouTube guy or YouTube girl or whatever as the winner of this Open Road 4-wheel drive winch, guys, and I'll ship it out to wherever it needs to go. But there you go. Simple, little, short, sweet video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Lots of content coming out here soon on the bird and drag racing events and stuff like that. It's going to be pretty epic. Plus, we are also calling out Send Steve for being a slow junk hauling F450 lifted Corvette getting stuck in the mud Jeep individual with a YouTube channel. And we're challenging him with the Pontiac Aztec, which will be beating everything he has out in the mud holes. It's going to be freaking awesome. So look out for that too, guys. But other than that, we're done. I gotta get back to work. I gotta get back to work, guys. Deuces.